In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show calendar with an email view panel in Outlook 365. If you've ever been answering emails and needed a quick peek at your schedule, this will save you time. I'll start with the new Outlook for Windows and Outlook on the web, then show you how it works in classic Outlook. In the new Outlook and on the web, look toward the top right of your screen, near the search bar. You'll see a small icon labeled Calendar or My Day. Click that. A slim panel will slide in on the right side, and it immediately shows today's agenda, your upcoming meetings and events at a glance. This lets you keep your inbox open while seeing what's next on your schedule, so you don't have to switch views or lose your place in email. If you want the calendar panel to stay put while you move between messages or folders, click the pin icon at the top of that panel. When pinned, it remains visible as a sidebar. If you'd rather have it pop in and out as needed, click the pin again to unpin it. That way, it won't take up space when you are not using it. A quick tip here: if your Outlook window is narrow, the My Day button may look like just a small calendar symbol. Maximizing or widening the window can make it easier to find. If you don't see the My Day button, here is an alternative. Go to the View tab at the top. Choose Layout. Select My Day, and click Show. That toggles the same right-hand panel without changing your current email view. And it's a great fallback if the icon isn't visible. Now, for those using classic Outlook, you'll use the To-Do bar to show the calendar alongside your inbox. Click the View tab, then choose To-Do bar and select Calendar. A calendar pane will appear on the right, showing a compact calendar and your upcoming items. You can drag the edge of that pane to resize it, giving yourself more space to read mail or more room to see the schedule, depending on what you need. To hide it later, return to View, open To-Do bar, and deselect Calendar. That's all it takes. Thanks for watching.